Oh, and the lighthouse. I forgot about the lighthouse.
There you go. Hey, it's Griffin Sarah, and we're at the Shelburne Museum.
Hooray!
Where are we?
In Shelburne, Vermont.
There you go.
Sorry, I was so excited.
All right, we're heading down to the Ticonderoga. It's, I'll say dry locked right now.
Yeah, and I think it's on Roadside America.
Yes, it's on Roadside America. Guys, we're rolling up on the Ticonderoga. Here it is. There's no water, of course. Let me give you let me see if I can get a better view. There we go. We got the whole thing in. There's Sarah. She's getting permission to come aboard, Captain.
Maybe.
Maybe. All right, we're gonna go take a look around and take a walk down the old. It's fantastic. Take a walk,
it's just totally
walk
cool.
down the Ticonderoga. Make our way up to the back here. Are we allowed to go over this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Step carefully.
Strange hump there. I don't know what's going on. All right. Oh, there's the dining room. Let's go take a look.
Dining room. And all the little rooms on the side. There's the captain's stateroom. Oh my goodness.
There I am. They've arrived.
Staterooms, and then you can go all the way up on top.
Now let's go down into the engine deck.
Oh, look at this wood.
Oh yeah. Wow.
All right.
Fantastic.
There's the kitchen.
Down here in the galley. I don't know what's going on back here. We're gonna find out. Oh, here it is. We are in the engine room. Far out. Look at these things. Yeah.
Oh my heavens, look at this.
Can you imagine?
This big, whatever it does, back and forth.
There's the paddle. Wow. All the way to the top. Can you imagine? It'd be hot as hell down here. Be careful, man. You never know. All these things blow out on you.
Oh, I would assume
Here's the boiler. Look at this thing.
Look at this thing. It's the belly of the beast.
Yes. If we could take a look inside of it. Yeah. Wow. Sarah doesn't like tight spaces, so I don't think she'd be very good on ship.
I would not. I would certainly not be. I keep saying exit.
All right, here we are in
I can get out of
quarters, and I think the head's up there. Got a couple old sodas there. This doesn't look too bad. I could live here. He's got his baseball mitt and stuff there, so. Well, we're gonna go on top deck. Right up there. Oh my God, it's a horse.
Oh!
Here we are on top. Ticonderoga.
Oh, you can't get all the way up to the top.
Not allowed to get on the bridge. It's as good as it gets. Let's go take a look at the dining room again. You can get at it from this side. Oh no, that's a stateroom. I don't know what's going on here. Wow. Look at that.
Oh,
this wood.
Beautiful.
Fantastic.
I know. The paneling, the gilding.
I know it.
Oh, every detail.
Yeah. There's something in it. It's even like we got a gift shop back here too.
Oh,
Here
well,
we are at. Get all the chairs out here. This is quite an impressive thing.
Beautiful.
All right, guys, that's the Ticonderoga. Dry docked.